I'm doing an unboxing video of Smartdoll Summer, so I have an outfit that I've picked out for her that I'm going to put her in. And here's the package she came in, so we're going to cut it open and take a look at Smartdoll Summer. Maybe. I don't know how I'm going to cut it open with one hand, but... So this will be my fourth Smartdoll, but it was actually, when I saw it on the website a year or two ago, it was actually the first one that I knew I really wanted. And he's retired a lot of dolls this year, so I was afraid it would get retired, so I decided to buy it. It'll be my first tea Smartdoll, which is like a tan color. And then I have one milk, the Canada alternate, and I also have 2 cinnamons, Cheetose Classic and Cheetose Multiverse. Sorry it's taking me so long. It's hard with one hand. I'm also doing this upside down, I think. Here. Oh, that's better, I think. We're going to lay the phone down for 1 second while I cut this box open.
Yeah, you want help?
No, I'm good. I think our scissors are very sharp.
They are.
Are they? Why am I having so much trouble?
Hey, you need help?
Oh, I almost have it. Ah, there. Alright, so I finally managed to open the box. So all of the Smartdolls always come in these bags. Like I said, this is my 4th one, and I have yet to get a bag that's signed by the designer. Whoops. Sometimes he signs his bags, but most of the time he doesn't. And then inside you'll find everything packaged. There's Smartdoll. There's a box, that's probably her wig. So we'll pull the box out first. We'll see what's in this little box. I don't think it came with clothes. Might be like an underwear set and her wig. Oh, there's actually something else in here. So I got like these cool little gift bags from the store in Tokyo. It's like a New Year's theme. They're wearing fukas, I think they're called. Futaris, the Japanese kimono of the New Year. There's another one. All right. And then there's a card. It comes with all these dolls. Sometimes he signs these too, but I've never gotten one that was signed. And then there's a bag that has the wig, and my cat's getting in the box there. My cat is Squeegee. Hi, Squeegee. And then there's the telescopic stand. I almost never use these, but that's mostly just because my dolls most of the time just sit on a shelf, so I don't really use those. But they help it pose for taking pictures. Alright, so now we can look in here. You can see that the doll comes sitting on its knees, which is how they fit it in the bag. So we pull it out. Now it folds. And it's already assembled, and it's already wearing its little bra and panty set. It's in bubble wrap, so we're gonna unwrap the bubble wrap. And then it's inside like a little plastic bag inside of the bubble wrap. And you can see here in the back of the doll, that's where you would put the telescopic stand if you wanted to use it. And it's overcast here, it's snowing outside, so not the best lighting, but you can see its face. All right, so we're gonna try and dress her. Just off the garbage. My cat's gonna try and fit in that other box, but there's no way he's gonna fit in there. Alright, let me move some of the stuff here. Alright. Again, a look at her face. And I think we'll start with her leggings. I thought I saw a scratch on it, but it was my imagination. All right. So this outfit, except for the skirt, and I'm not crazy about the skirt, but I just don't have that many different bottoms. But the skirt came from like China and it was cheap, but the little hoodie and the stockings, they came from an Etsy seller called Too Cute Club, and that's what most of my dolls wear. So if you're wondering where they came from, that's where. I should get a tripod for my phone if I'm going to be doing unboxing videos, because you really need two hands. A tripod stand? No. I have a selfie stick, but you still have to hold that with your hand. Here, maybe I can prop it up against the box. I can't really see what it's capturing, but hopefully it's capturing me putting on the leggings here. All right, so we have one legging on. I'll pick up my phone here and show you, that way I'm sure that it got on the video. Okay, do the other legging. Again, I'll set this here. Not really sure if it's recording what I want it to, but it's okay. So this is kind of like a Christmas present to myself, and then I also entered the Volks USA Dolphy Dream Lottery for one of the D-cords, which come with like an outfit and a wig and eyes. But I don't know if I'll win that or not, so we'll see. My cat's using his scratching post is what that sound is now. So we have both leggings on. And now I'm going to try to put her hoodie on. We'll just sit her up here. Bring up. You could take the arms off and the head off, but usually I just try and kind of force it over everything. Alright, we have her hoodie on, mostly, except her finger is caught in it. Alright. So you can see that we now have the hoodie on her. So now the last part of her outfit is her little skirt. And that's easy because it's all elastic. Just slip it on over the legs. And wiggle it up over her hips. I feel like it's a little bit caught on something, but I'm not sure what. Oh, it actually was like a little pair of short pants, and interestingly enough, I put both legs in there without really realizing they were short pants underneath there. But transfer her out a little. Alright, so we have her dressed, as you can see. We just have to put the wig on her now. So we have her wig right here. We'll open that up. This wig feels very soft. I don't know if you can see it. It's a curly wig, so it needs some fluffing out and loosening up. We're gonna try and put her wig on her now. I always have trouble with Smartdoll wigs. They're always a little bit too tight, I feel like. There's probably no way I'm gonna be able to do this while holding the phone. So again, I'll set it back down. I just noticed it does have a little bit of a plasticky odor. Usually, I've never noticed that about these dolls. Maybe that's just because it's brand new. Alright, that wig actually went on pretty easy. Easier than Kanata and Chitose's wigs. So there we have my Smartdoll summer. And I'll be taking some photos later on my Instagram showing her in different poses. She is really cute. She might be my favorite Smartdoll that I have now. And I do really like the tea color. I like this color of skin a little bit better than Cinnamon. I find Cinnamon is so pink that it's hard to find a wig that looks nice with it. I think my favorite skin color is still Milk, and I wish he had not retired it, but I understand why he did it because it was too similar to Volk's Dolphy Dream, and so people were buying cheaper bodies and then not buying the heads or vice versa. So he did it to differentiate himself from the competition. So, but T is definitely very pretty. I'm really hoping that Smartdoll Sana, who is also T, comes back in stock. That'll be my next Smartdoll if it does come back in stock. It's listed as sold out, but it's not on the discontinued page yet. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy holidays.